I'm here in Venue Cymru, which as you know has been transformed into Ysbyty'r Enfys, a field hospital which may be used during this coronavirus pandemic. So many people have put a lot of hard work into making this site available. All those workers on the ground, all those people behind the scenes working between ourselves, the council, with the local health board, Betsy Cadwallader. Thank you to all the work that's gone on to make this site available. Clearly, my wish, I'm sure yours is too, is that we'll never have to use this site. But you need to know that this site is available in case we do.
It's because of the wider public adhering to social distancing and staying at home wherever they possibly can that we find ourselves in a better position than we projected. And I really would like to express my appreciation to members of the public who've done just that. It has really helped us to be ready for you. So thanks everybody for your support and for getting the health board and our communities to where we need to be. Diolch yn fawr iawn.